Hello, it's Autumn here, and today I will be doing something quite different. Recently, I like taking personality quizzes, so I will be doing a few of them today, like maybe one or two. Oh, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so guys, I've found out this fun quiz that is called This Color Test will reveal your secret gift. So let's play and wow, okay. Okay, so they told me to choose a color and I'm going with yellow. Oops. And then whoa, it's really nice painting, you know. And another color, probably some lime color, something like that. Peacock, that's a really nice peacock feather. Then again, I would choose lemonish color. Ooh, another really nice painting. Ooh, this one's hard. I would choose like this color, but then like I would choose this one. Yeah, I better choose yellow. Whoa, this is so pretty. Like seriously, like wow, it's impressive. Okay, so I think I don't have much choice because my favorite color is like orangish, yellowish, lemonish, lime, green. This is a hard choice again. Yellow or orange? Um, okay, maybe orange. Yeah, maybe orange. Okay. And then again, this color for sure. And ooh, this is another nice painting. Ooh, I'm just I'm so excited for results. It's calculating. Ooh, my secret gift is public speaking. You are, wait, how do I, okay, let me try. Charismatic, and you didn't even know it. Ever watch those TED Talks and think I can see myself as inspiring millions? But guess what? You're not far off. You're a natural passion and leadership qualities that give you the ability to inspire masses of people. How awesome! Okay, so yeah. I don't know if my special gift is public speaking. Sure, like I've been public speaking before, like Johnny, storytelling competitions, speech competitions, something like that. But I don't know. I tried. Okay, so I'm gonna taking another quiz, which is called "Which modern Disney princess are you?" Well, I don't know yet, so let's play this quiz. And ooh, Cinderella. Uh, ball gowns are 1950, or let's go with this instead. Oh, so like they told me to like choose a outfit. I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one, I guess, because it looks casual. Ooh, is this Cinderella again? Yeah, I think so. Which OG princess is somewhat basic? What is OG? Let me look at. So it means original gangsters and oh wait, you know what? Never mind. Uh, um, 100% of them. Yeah, they're all. Who is that? Choose a prince to reject just for fun. Oh, well, his face is funny when I reject him, right? Yeah, probably Aladdin, I guess. I don't know, but which subject could you study forever and never get bored? Um, I don't know. Psychology maybe? They're interesting. Um, your big Disney billet will be named, and my heart beats only for cheaper. Awkward is okay, it's all in the details. Truth, trust it isn't only afraid of cage. My heart beats only for adventure then, I guess. Okay, next one is Who needs a magic carpet when you can have a magic university forever? Magic everything? Yes, everything. Magic Selbo, Magic X, Magical Best Friend. Magical Best Friend. I need friends. I can't live without my friends. If your personality had a hair color, it would be warm amber, fiery red. I don't know. My hair, honestly, my hair is black, but I'll go with warm amber. I feel comfortable with that color. And time to escape that castle life. You had to. Ooh, whoa! I would really take a vacation there. And then again, this looks nice, so I'll go with that. Hakuna Matata. Oh, sorry. Sidekick. Oh, they have red fox, but they don't have a fennec fox. Are you kidding me? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I like red foxes. Which modern Disney princess are you calculating? Ooh, I'm Anna. I'm actually Anna. Relate to this GIF, do you not? Anna's ridiculously optimistic outlook may get her into trouble sometimes by what some people call naive? Is that even work? You know, to be a trusting heart and empathetic soul. The world needs more yous, more Annas to be caring and outreaching and to believe in the greater good no matter how tragic the world can become or how surprisingly awful some people can turn out to be. So like yeah guys, that's all the quizzes I've taken for today. That's actually two, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and bye.